The nice thing about the rotary hammer is actually that the fact that it's a versatile tool in the sense of you can use it for normal drilling um, in mostly in concrete. But you can use it as a screwdriver as well when you have an adapter chuck, so you can use it for normal steel drilling and wood drilling. You can use it as with the fact that the machine has got variable speed. You can use it as to turn in screws or your bolts. So you've got that particular function on the machine when you use a adapter chuck on the unit. But then you must always make sure that the machine is only on normal drilling when you have that adapter chuck on it. Then the other feature that you have is basically when you drill into concrete, then you must use the bits for the machine, which is your SDS plus bits, um, and that particular bit is basically when you drill into concrete or masonry, and it's ideal for that application because it drills really fast, quickly into that particular material. For the fact that the machine has got like a piston giving the hammer function of a machine which is ideally for that application in the sense of it's not like a normal drill where it's got two gears giving you the hammer function. So your hammer function on a rotary drill is much more stronger than in a normal drill. Other feature of the machine is basically that the fact that you have a chipping function. So if you need to remove a little bit of tiles, or you need to just to do a small DIY job where you need to break something out, you have that function also. So you can have that. Also, you have that in the sense of you can just remove a few tiles. I'm not saying right break up a whole floor or with a particular machine because of it's it's not that it won't do the job. It's not ideally for that particular the job because it's a small machine. You need a dedicated breaker for removing like a whole bathroom or a floor. But when you have few things that you need to do, like then you can use that. You have that option of doing that also with the machine. So that's another feature of the machine. So in is in the machine has got three functions, like your normal drilling with hammer, and then just your chiseling function, which is the hammering function of the machine. That's basically the three functions that you would normally see on the unit. And that's about the feature of your rotary hammer.